And welcome to our meteorology segment, a regular feature here of the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash. And we're going to be looking at some pretty extreme weather here. We could get possibly up to maybe 10 inches of snow here in eastern Pennsylvania. First thing we're looking at is the temperature anomaly on the GFS model for the next 72 hours. Going to have some lingering cold here around the Tennessee-North Carolina border. Again, that's your 72-hour temperature anomaly forecast. Temperature shown here in Celsius degrees. Quite cold in the eastern portion of the country here. And we're getting an unseasonably snowy Saturday here in Pennsylvania. So here's your precipitation forecast, showing precipitation and pressure based on the same GFS model for the same period of time, 72 hours. Heavy snows over a large portion of the country. Here's your total snow accumulation, positive depth change over the next 72 hours. And check it out. Major system here striking the entire Northeast and even parts of the Southeast. Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, Kentucky, West Virginia, all getting snows well into March. Next, your NASA GOES Lightning Mapper. Here's what's going on in the past about 10 hours. And we would normally show a real-time lightning map next. We're going to show the jet streams and so on. Instead, let me just check the life of the stream here. Everything looks A-OK. This video was originally streamed live to Twitch at twitch.tv/Smash-O-Mash. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. Given a quick snapshot to our viewers from the other side of the planet. Shout out to our viewers from Munda. Don't forget to share the content. Tell your friends and foes about us. Thanks to everybody who has done so. If you're a larger Twitch channel, please host us, as we've only got 138 followers on Twitch at the moment. Next, looking at surface winds, we've got a strong low here in the North Pacific. Those are hurricane force winds. 78 miles an hour there. Hurricane force winds occurring there in the North Central Pacific. Sort of in between the Aleutians and Hawaii. Here are the surface winds of the Western world. Shout out to most of our viewers who would be under this map. A strong offshore wind there on the Gulf of Mexico. Here are the jet streams of this side of the planet. And we've got an extreme kink over the U.S. here, pulling some cold temperatures into the eastern portion of the country. Next, your weather.gov map. And look at the winter storm warnings. We're under a winter storm warning, so we got to keep this one short because I've got some preparation to do. Look at the freeze warnings in the southern portion of the eastern part of the country there. Yowzers. All the way down into southern Texas there. Wind chill advisories, freeze advisories. If your county is lit, head to weather.gov and click your county. Don't forget to leave us a comment if you're viewing the videos on BitChute. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. We made it all the way to 666 subscribers. And then we lost some. Next, a real-time lightning map, and we've got some extreme forecasts, by the way. Let me go back a couple tabs here. These are tornado watches. So for our Floridian and Georgian viewers, please be on top of that. That is some bad stuff. Some severe thunderstorms here. And it's slowly moving in toward Gainesville and Ocala, Clearwater, Tampa. Also Central Florida, sort of in the crosshairs there, which is why that warning area is so big. Anyway, that's a real-time lightning map showing you where the teeth of the storms are at lightningmaps.org. Are we going to see thunder snow? We've got some thunder and lightning here south of Richmond. Anyway, that's your real-time lightning map. This video was originally streamed live to twitch.tv/Smash-O-Mash. Next, we're going to look at the water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. Real quick. Lots of dry air in the southern hemisphere. That's a very desolate portion of the world. Earth's largest body of water, not a lot of people there. In the South Pacific, here's what's going on in the North Pacific. Continuing on to the U.S. Doppler radar. So this will be an important one to check out throughout the day, folks. Radar.weather.gov is the site that we're currently using. Let us know in the comments what your favorite radar site is. They're all pretty similar, folks. It's measuring the movement of water droplets vertically through the air column. That's what a Doppler radar does, and that's why sometimes it won't give you a clear picture of what's happening or what's about to happen. A lot of moisture there creeping up the northeast. Here's a shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at nighttime when it's too dark to see them with a visible satellite. Here is the water vapor imagery, and fortunately we're going to get a bit of an impulse here. So this dry mass of air is going to help push things through. That was an ugly arrow. Let me make a better arrow. That dry mass of air is going to help push things through there. It won't linger too long, folks. And the water vapor map is what to use if your Doppler is not being helpful. Cold air moving in. Winter ending with a bang, coating a large portion of the country with snow. That's your recap. The Doppler, the shortwave radiation map, and we'll close out with the water vapor. Once again, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.